Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get LinkedIn Premium completely for free. If you've been curious about trying out Premium without paying, stick around. I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open up any browser on your device. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press enter. Click on the first link that appears to go to LinkedIn's official website. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right corner. You should see an option to try Premium. Click on that and it will give you the chance to start a free trial. You'll usually see an offer for a 1-month free trial of LinkedIn Premium. Just select the type of premium you want, like personal or career, and click next. From there, you'll need to fill out the required information, like your payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. Make sure to double check your payment method and billing address so there are no issues activating the trial. This step just activates the free trial, and once it's set up, you can start exploring all the premium features right away. Some of the benefits include seeing who viewed your profile, accessing LinkedIn learning courses, and sending email messages even to people you're not connected with. You can also get detailed insights into job postings and see salary ranges for positions you're interested in, which is really helpful for planning your career. Take some time during your free month to explore these features. They're really helpful for networking and job hunting. And remember, if you decide it's not for you, just cancel before the trial ends so you won't be charged. This is a great way to test out Premium without any risk, and you might find features you can't live without. And that's it. You've now got LinkedIn Premium for free for a month. If this video helped, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Happy LinkedIn using.